Hey guys, Sak here from Saki Tech, and in today's video, I want to talk about a heavily updated application that is free for most Samsung Galaxy smartphone owners. Now, this is in fact a TV application that gives you free TV. So here's the application. It has so many categories to watch from. You got entertainment, you got movies like Baywatch, you got food, home, and travel, you got comedy, you've got reality TV, if that's the kind of crap you like to watch. You got movies. You can watch entire movies here, all free. News, crime, okay, game shows, you got sports, you got science fiction, music, science and nature, whatever you want. It's 100% free for you guys to grab. Now, this application has been heavily updated and is so much better than what it used to be. So to download this application, to get the latest up-to-date version, you want to click the link down below. Once you're at the link, you want to scroll down just a little bit. Under download, you want to click this link right here. That's a Samsung TV application. You click the link, it will take you to the store, and you either install this if you never had it before, or you can update to the latest version to get all the latest benefits. In fact, if you tap over here, you'll notice that they have added a lot of stuff over the last couple of months under their What's New section. So it is in fact a heavily updated application. Let's take a look at it real quick, all right? So because it does have some cool features that may not be visible right away. So here's a Samsung TV Plus application. Now, like I said, on the top, you've got a bunch of categories. If you click on one of the categories, you can start to play a movie or a show under that category 100% for free. And you can see that they even have the time. So for example, from 8:45 to 9:36, they have one episode. Then they got the other episode, so you can see what is coming up next. You can also click here to search channels and programs that you want to watch. One of the greatest things is if you go to My TV Plus, you can start to customize it right over here. You can add favorite channels, watching reminders. But if you tap over here, you can go to the settings and you can make some changes. You can change the theme of this application. You can change the live program guide. So if I tap on this one, I can go for a timeline version. Now look how it's going to look a little bit different, okay? Now we have the live timeline version, as you can see. That's your TV guide at the bottom, okay? And again, you can go from category to category as you please. Now if I tap over here, what I can do is, if you have Chromecast in your home, you can actually cast this to any of the displays in your house. So if you have something in your office or your sitting room, if you have Chromecast attached to it, you can stream this free TV onto your high-definition TV wirelessly via Chromecast. You also have the PIP view, so picture-in-picture is available, as you can see. So as you're watching this, you can do something else. When you're going to go back in, you can tap on this one. So it's a great little application. I watched a couple shows on this application, and I'll let you know, when it first came out, it was a little bit boring, but now with all the latest updates, it looks so much better. It almost looks like an actual TV subscription. And you got everything here. You can have news or whatever. So if I go to news, I've got all these channels, all right, that I can watch to get my news. If you feel like watching a movie, you tap right over here. You get to watch a free movie that's available right here. Or like I said, you can look ahead to see if a movie you may want to watch at a certain time is going to be playing at that particular time. But that's it. Just want to share this with you guys real quick. It's a free TV application. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right? All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to Saki Tech by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at Saki Tech Online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.